see, I'm sorta like my favorite shoes. I look better when I'm on my feet. Lately I ain't in the mood for the blues. I think I need something more upbeat. Everybody's so scared of the news, but wait, I got news, there's a brand new me. Same window with a different view. Oh man, it's really something to see. Now I can show you how I found this groove. I'm feeling good, better than ever.
Happy birthday, Mom Helen!
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you!
Happy birthday, Helen!
I wanna feel this good forever.
She's selfless. Kahit na no matter who you are, no matter from what walks of life you came from, kahit anong kailangan mo, even if it means she's giving herself to you, she would really help you. She would go out of her way to help those na kailangan. Ang naging tuturo sa amin ng mommy while we were growing up is parang mas mabuting tumulong, ganyan, to be able to help others as much as you can.
Most of us here are 60 years old, and now I know the feeling, and I'm proud.
Celebrating 60 wonderful years, the queen of the night, Ellen!
Ellen, she's a smart girl. Ang dami namin pinagsamahan sa hirap at ginhawa for our business. She's very steady. She keeps on reminding us, everyone, sa family, sa upkeep ng bahay, and even sa office. Thank you for everything. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga anak mo.
Good morning, Ma'am Ellen. Happy birthday, grabe. It's your debut today. Lagi kang bumabata, no? I wish you more birthdays to come. Alam ko marami nagmamahal sa'yo at marami kang minamahal na tao. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
May kasabihan, and every man's success, there's a woman, and that woman is you.
You might have a mom, she might be the bomb.
Happy birthday, my honey pie! I love you!
Like mine, her love's till the end. She's my best friend. Ain't nobody got a mom like mine. She's my world, she's my heart, and there's
Happy
no
birthday,
denying. I'm her girl, no matter what. Even when I'm lying, she loving me, loving me, loving me, loving me, love. She loved me like nobody else. I'm telling you, telling you, telling you, telling you all. She taught me how to love myself. You might have a mom, she might be the bomb, but ain't nobody got a mom.
She stood out as an inspiration kasi po si ate ay hinahangaan namin dahil sa kanyang aking katalinuhan.
I cried, she made me.
I'm really grateful sa mga nangyari and sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo para mapalaki kami. Even though hindi mo pinaramdam sa amin na nag-isa ka, kinaya mo. That's why you're my super mom. I love you!
You might have a mom, she might be the bomb, but ain't nobody got a mom like mine. Her love's till the end, she's my best friend. Ain't nobody got a mom like mine.
Happy birthday, Mommy! I wish you happiness, relaxation, ayan, more travels, kasi ayan ang peg natin ngayong 60 ka na. And magpakasaya tayo, because you're my dancing queen.
Have a mom, she might be a bomb, but ain't nobody.
Si Mama, yan ang idol namin simula nung bata pa kami. Mama, happy birthday. We love you.
Bali, describe ko si Mama. Very lucky ako kasi siya yung naging mother-in-law ko. So, Mama, happy birthday. Makita namin kung gaano mo mahalin yung mga kids. So, we love you.
And she's my best friend. Ain't nobody got a mom like mine.
Thank you po sa pagpunta niyo ngayon. It's just a night for us to celebrate life and enjoy.